Air-fried wings without batter. Fire. Broccoli and cheese. Off the chain. With the Dixie plate. Perfect. Got all kind of good seasons going on there. Mobo. We're gonna show you which ones they used. Got some of that vegetable butter in there. Country crop. Fire. As promised, there goes the seasons we used. Coming along nicely.
That's crispy skin. I'm already getting a roll right here.
You hear that?
Oh, that skin.
There you have it. Air fried wings. Yes, indeed, if you need it.
Yes, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Fire.
Just how we like it, baby.
You know it's done. That's crispy skin. Hear that skin?
Oh, yeah.
Fire. Transfer it over to my Dixie plates. You know what I'm drinking. The durability, though.
Yeah, look at that. Delicious.